Interbake has been around for more than 90 years with one goal: to carefully refurbish bakery machines so they can last reliable for years again. How? We tell you in this video. Refurbishing starts with a thorough inspection. As soon as a machine comes into our shop, we check it for wear and defects. After cleaning the machine, every crucial part is checked, and if necessary, replaced for new. With precision, the machine is rebuilt and adjusted for optimal performance. No machine leaves Interbake without a comprehensive test. Then it is ready for sale or shipment. Are you looking for a reliable refurbished bakery machine? Get in touch.